Hello friends, Mr. Golden is on the line. The first trading session in my VIP channel has started. Now, together with you, I will try to open a position online and look at its practice. Okay, let's start by opening the graph. I have already looked a little here and saw that Euro USD looks like a good position in principle in order to have this buy-side level. Yes, while we are conducting the analysis, the position is already actually removing this level. I see that this scenario is no longer relevant for us. Okay, nevertheless, we will continue. Let's try to find some other asset and see what will be interesting about it. Because Euro USD has already disabled its current target. I usually conduct the analysis on a 15-minute chart. Let's quickly run through the assets. Let's just see what the 15-minute shows us. If we do not notice anything here, we will switch to lower time frames. Okay. As we can see, the market is currently in such an aggressive movement. In a rather aggressive movement, so entering it will be difficult. Yes, this is my last notices. I will delete it, so it doesn't interfere. Okay, entering it will be really difficult. However, I think we can handle it. Yes, here is this pound and yen. What do we have here? We have withdrawal of liquidity. We have unbalanced fair value gap above. That is, in fact, we have the opportunity to go to this level. The level of the 1-hour fair value gap. Yes, let's mark it. The first fair value gap. And we have the removal of this level of sell-side liquidity. You see how liquidity is on the short side. This means that after this withdrawal of liquidity, we had a push in the long direction. However, we have not yet achieved and implemented the long-term goal. Let's move on to the 5 minutes. Push. Let's go down. I don't know. I like to lower myself in order to test the fair value gap. Here's this one, so insignificant, maybe even a beginner, because I didn't notice it, but I noticed such a fair value gap right away. This will not be a quick position. I can already see that it will not work quickly. However, I think it should do it the way it should. Let's open the pocket option platform and choose the pair of GBP, JPY. The profitability is 66%, which is a bit too little. As for us, it really is too little. However, 15 minutes. Well, let's consider what else there is in general. You might be able to find something with a better profitability. Let's do it. Because that asset works great, but the profit is really very small, and we won't be able to make good money on it. So the risk doesn't really live up to expectations. However, unfortunately, that asset is the most understandable and always has the lowest profit. Somehow it happens that you see a good position, but you cannot take it due to certain factors. Okay, let's continue watching. It's also a good scenario, but there was already a fair value gap test in premium. Not sure about this, so let's see. Profitability has not changed currently. AUD JPY also drops out. We continue looking at pairs. This is how my routine goes before I give you the analysis. I just go through all pairs first on the 15-minute time frame, looking for inefficiencies and liquidity. And from that, I build some logic, which I then explain to you in the channel. Yes, I publish these signals daily in the Telegram channel. It's all free. Join us. The link is below the video. It actually looks pretty good. Here it is. Let's turn it on. The 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, this is a short movement for us, where we had withdrawals of this sell-side level. Yesterday on the news. However, the level is the main thing, that is, of the older time frame as external liquidity, meaning ERL was not reached. Then we got this long impulse, and I am already considering this long impulse as follows. Now I will demonstrate to you. Alright, let's adjust the graph. Cool. Okay, I like it. Let's just open it. GBP, CAD good profitability. Execution time. Look, the primary goal is 15 minutes of fair value gap, so I think it is possible to open for 9 minutes. The price should come down. Yes, for some reason, it did not switch me. GBP CAD. 9 minutes to the short. Now I give a quick signal. Great, GBP CAD short. 9 minutes. Going back to our pocket option platform. Okay, let's track how the position works out. Guys, I remind you that the most active of you will get the opportunity to join a live trading session with me personally. So don't hesitate to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below this video. Okay, there are literally 7 seconds left. Let's take a screenshot. We will have a screenshot of such a plan. Okay, the deal closed profitably, as you can see, friends, right here. Here are 11 points of advantage. Yes, it may not be as drastic a move as I expected, but it's a profitable deal nonetheless. Super. Let's go to the TradingView platform and I'll explain a little more. So you understood what my goal was in terms of HTF, that is, this level of external liquidity. You can also understand that the primary target was the fair value gap. But in addition to all this, I also applied the logic of trading in a range. As you can see, with this movement, this minimum and this maximum, the price formed a range, which it primarily violated in the high range, which is why it got a strong short reaction on the news yesterday, where it took the low, after which it returned again, took the high range, and got... So, as a next step, I could count on it to upgrade the low, the further range low. So why? Because it was all supported by the overall structure, the overall order flow in the short direction, as you can see. I think, more or less, I explained everything. You have seen how trading takes place live in our VIP channel, how it all goes, how I do the analysis before opening the session, how I open a session, and open a position. I hope this was interesting for you. See you soon. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join copy trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.